Did you know that the easiest way to make friends is by knowing current affairs? Well, I know it sounds odd, but do not find it odd because it's very obvious. Give me some time, watch this video, and I promise you by the end of this video, you will become an expert at making friends. So, let us get started without any further delay. So, most people think that in order to make friends, you have to be insanely cool, good looking, and popular. And well, that's not the case because think about it. What do you do when you're with your friends? Boys talk about sports, WWE, and their crushes. Girls do the same. Instead of talking about sports, they would talk about makeup and their crushes. So basically, when you're with your friend, you're talking about the things that you find interesting. And the reason why people find it difficult to make friends is because the things that they find interesting are very specific and very rare in nature. For example, let us assume there is a guy who loves talking about trains. Now, how many people in this world do you think would know a thing or two about trains? The answer is not many. Only a small percentage of people would know about such an abstract thing like train knowledge. Easiest way you can make friends is by finding things that other people find interesting. For example, Formula 1 is trending in India right now. Earlier it was football, before that it was basketball, but now it is Formula 1. So whenever you go to any metropolitan cities, you go to Mumbai, you go to Delhi, you go to Pune, in order to make more friends, all you have to do is flex your F1 knowledge. If you flex your F1 knowledge, then the other person will become friends with you because they love talking about Formula 1. Also, they think that talking about Formula 1 makes you cool. So, just by having an interest or just by having knowledge about all the things that are currently working right now. For example, pickleball is growing rapidly in India. So, if you know how to play pickleball, you will be considered a cool person. People will want to be friends with you, and at the same time, you will also find it easy to make more friends because majority of the people will be talking about pickleball and how it works. So, one simple thing that you can do right now is fire on Google. Check all the activities, all the things that are trending right now and the people of your age would love to talk about. Right now, I think it is Formula 1. UFC is also one thing that is trending right now. And all these watches, technology, cars. If you are a boy, if you are a man, then you must know about cars because cars are a common interest among all men. So are watches, so is technology, especially headphones, earphones, and these watches that you have. Apart from that, you must know about sports. You must know about football if you live outside India, and if you live in India, then knowing cricket is a must. Football and cricket are two sports which you must know. If you want to flex more, if you want to be seen as a very cool person, then you can also know about UFC and Formula 1. It will make you a very cool person, and then you can flex that knowledge in front of your crush and possibly make her your girlfriend. So that's all in this video. If you liked it, then please share, like, and subscribe. And if you're still watching the video, then thank you very much. It means a lot to me. I'm making these videos in hot, humid conditions. As you can see, I have so much sweat on my face. But for you guys, everything, I know many people do not watch this video. But still, if you're watching this video, then huge shout out to you, man. Thank you very much for watching this video. It means a lot to me. See you in the next video. Until then, have a very nice day.